What's going on, guys? In today's video, we will be learning about modular programming. So basically, modular programming is basically having separate files that have different functions in them and combining those files together into one program and running those functions. So what we use in Python is called libraries, which are basically a file with a bunch of functions on it. So we're going to be doing two examples today, one using the random library and one using the math library. They should come pre-installed with Python. So basically how you can use them is you need to import them to your file. So what you have to type in is import, and then we'll say random, which is the random library. And let's import the math one, and you do import math. So now we have both the libraries imported. Now we need to use the functions inside of them. So one of the functions inside the random library is random.randint, which is basically generating a random number between the specifications you give. So to use the function, we can first of all write random, which is our library name. And we need to write the library name so the file or like the computer knows which library we want to run the function from, dot our function name. So we can say randint. And basically inside the randint function, we want to type in, we can say the lowest number that's possible. So the minimum we could have as 1. And the maximum number randomly generated could be 10. So it'll randomly pick a number between 1 and 10. And we need to print this out. So we can write it in a print statement, save this, and when we run this, it prints out 1. But next time we run it, it should print out a different number. Yep, it prints out 3. And if we run it one more time, it prints out 8, which is all just randomly generated numbers. Now we're just going to do another example of the math library. So one of the common functions you can use in the math library is to round a value up, right? So you can do math.ceil, which is how to round up a number using the math library. And we can put in any number that we want to round up. So we can say 3.2. Usually that would round down in normal math, but with the ceil function, it'll automatically round up. So we can wrap this in a print statement, save this, and then now when we run it, it prints out 4 because 3.2 rounded up to 4 using the ceil function. So yeah, that's mainly what you use the modular programming for, is importing different libraries and using them as functions, like using their functions inside your program. And you can even write your own libraries and publish them for other people to use. And the next video will be on object-oriented programming, which is slightly similar to functions, but it's a little bit more complicated. So yeah. And if you want to see the next video, stay tuned and hit the subscribe button so that you will know when my next video comes out. And also give this video a like if you got some nice knowledge from this video. And once again, thanks for watching.